I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by positioning the roller cassette where it will sit. Mark the bracket holes precisely so the tubed roller is centered. Use a level and measure twice to avoid crooked operation. Insert anchors if mounting into drywall, and drill 1/8 pilot holes to prevent splits. Once the anchors are set, hand start screws into each J-clip so the clip hangs ready. This ensures the clip alignment is fixed before you lift the heavier roller into place, saving time and preventing damage. You now install the roller by engaging one end into the stationary J-clip so it supports the full weight. With that end secured, compress or twist the opposite roller tube slightly. This aligns the pin or spring into the open J-clip. Slide the roller into place until you hear or feel the latch engage. That click indicates the only secure seating. Once seated, operate the shades slowly to verify smooth travel. Then incrementally tighten the clip screws so the roller rotates freely without lateral wobble. Finish by running the blind through full travel to reveal misalignments. Make tiny lateral adjustments so fabric wins evenly. If a J-clip refuses to seat, remove the roller and inspect the clip and roller ends for burrs or bent pins. Clean or replace parts as needed because damage prevents secure engagement. Finally, secure screws with a drop of thread locker for heavy units and recheck anchors. This prevents future sagging. If problems persist, re-evaluate bracket spacing and swap to a heavier-duty J-clip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.